All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Special shout-out to the men's hockey team. Senior night this weekend. Big weekend for them. Okay, show that in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the altitude of the hypotenuse, divide the hypotenuse in the ratio 1 to 3. All right, it even gives us a hint. Let dB be x. All right, so I'm going to write in my little missing angles. That's 30 there, and that's 60 here. Okay, so in the triangle on the right, the small triangle, is x the short leg, the long leg, or the hypotenuse? Short leg, okay? How do you get from the short leg to the long leg? Multiply by radical 3. You guys should be able to just belt that right out, okay? You should have done enough practice that you have that fact in your head. How do you get from the short leg to the hypotenuse? If that doesn't come out quick, then you're not in good enough shape in here right now, okay? All right, so we've got a lot of information. Now, on the triangle on the left, is CD the long leg, the short leg, or the hypotenuse? It's the short leg. How do you get from the short leg to the long leg? Multiply by radical 3. So AD is x radical 3 times what again? Times radical 3. Well, sweet. What's radical 3 times radical 3? And so what's AD? Boom. Okay? I showed it. If it wanted to prove it, then I might have to go about that a little bit differently. I'd have to just use that, let's see, x radical 3 squared, okay? Altitude squared equals part times part, so I would call this y temporarily, okay? And then how do I solve that thing for y? So, watch. Square this side. X squared times 3 equals x times y. What am I solving for? Okay, what's being done to the y? It's being multiplied by x, so I divide each side by x. Why am I allowed dividing by x? Because what if it's 0? It's not 0. Bam. Bam. You get y equals 3x. That'd be a different way to do it. They both work. They have to. Okay? Boom!